All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel from behind multiple microphones. Today we're back to check out another piece of audio hardware, another great microphone from the folks over at FIFINE Gaming, the AmpliGame AM8 Pro. And this is a part of a kit, so it comes with this lovely microphone boom arm that you can kind of see over here, which also glows because, you know, it's 2026. Everything has to glow. I'm pretty sure it's almost the law of gaming now. The RAM glows, the microphone glows. Depending on how much time I spend near Chernobyl, I glow. It's great. So this is a pretty nice microphone. This whole kit is around $100 if you want to grab it off of places like Amazon. I think it can get fairly cheaper depending on when and where you buy it, if it's on sale or on a discount. And this particular microphone, it's got three main plugs on the top of it. It's got a USB 3.0, it's got an XLR mic plug, and it's also got a plug for your headphones so that you can listen to your voice as it's being recorded, so you can kind of get that mix in there to monitor your audio, or turn that off with the settings, either on this knob here or in the software, so you can just listen to your computer audio as well. One of the things that's kind of nice about these is that it ties into your computer's audio, so you can just have one big cable running to your microphone and then another cable daisy chaining off of that to your head. Although a lot of people like to do wireless now, which I can kind of understand as well. So those are the plugs on it. The audio quality is really nice. I mean, it's comparable to something that's like $120, $160 from other companies. A lot of these plug-and-play ready microphones are great. And one of the other things that's kind of nice about AmpliGame in general is they have a new software tool called the AmpliGame Genie, or the FIFINE Genie, which is a software that lets you control not just the lights on the whole contraption, but also has little filters that you can do both EQ, and you can do things like removing the background noise from the microphone. So no longer do you have to run this through an editor or a filter on OBS or some other type of third-party software to get it sounding nice when you're doing streaming or recording. This thing will do it included for no additional price with that software. You just download it on their website for free. So we're going to check this out here today. We're going to do an unboxing, then we're going to hear what it sounds like, and then I will give my sort of final thoughts on the whole thing. That said, it's a really nice microphone. It's got some really funky different effects. One of the interesting things about it is there's not really a hard mute button here anymore. You might see that there's like a little screen here on the front. This screen controls not only the volume when you're adjusting this knob here on the front, but it'll also control the mute, where you can just tap the button on the front here with your finger. It's a touch screen, and then it'll mute the microphone, and then you can tap it again in order to unmute it, which I thought was really cool. I mean, if you're going to use touchscreen technology, because you can put that in just about anything from a toaster oven to a fridge to your toilet, why not put it on a piece of equipment like a microphone so that you can just tap it to mute and tap it to turn it back on again? So we're going to check that out here, and then I will see you in the unboxing. So the AM8 Pro microphone kit comes in a pretty decent sized box. I mean, it is a microphone combined with the entire arm to hold the mic itself. And it comes with two additional cables, one for the arm and one for the microphone, because they both need their own power in order to power both the lights and all of the features of the mic. It's got a nice little quick start guide that kind of runs you through what all the different features are, including the multi-volume control in that big red button there on the front of the microphone. You can control your mic volume, your headset volume, and also your monitor volume, which is where you listen directly to the microphone before it even goes to your computer, so you can hear what you sound like. Really great for professional work. That little meter there on the front is the actual touch control that is also voice activated, so it lights up in response to your voice. And then here on the back are the three plugs, the USB-C, XLR, and 3.5mm headphone jack, along with a button that can control your lighting. Inside the box is the little clamp that holds it onto your desk. There's those two cables, one attached to the arm and the other one meant for the microphone. Because again, this is really plug and play ready. You don't actually need to do anything extra in order to get it ready and working with your computer. And then all you got to do to get it working is to just twist it together, plug it in, and you're pretty much good to go. That's about as simple as it gets, really. This day and age, there's not a lot of fiddling and messing around with microphones. It's just plug it in, maybe adjust your volume to make sure it doesn't blow anyone's eardrums out, and then that's the whole kit and caboodle. So let's take a step back. It looks snazzy. I think we can all agree with that. It's everything from the FIFINE gaming company is wonderfully glowy. It'll definitely keep your gamer street cred up. But what does it sound like? Because it doesn't matter how cool it looks if it sounds like a toaster oven. So this is what it sounds like when you run the microphone, just raw, straight out of the computer. I will note that this is actually running through this software that comes with it, the FIFINE Genie, where you can do things like it has more information about some of their other products that you can get, but it's also got a mixer for mixing your different media inputs on your computer. It's got a control of all your lights, but what I was really interested in is down here, there's different hardware configurations. You just select whatever device you have plugged in, and you can do things like turn on automatic noise reduction. You can also control the light switch to have a certain pattern, but I don't really care. You can also control your input volumes. This will be reflected both here and also it'll animate on your microphone as it turns up and down the volume, which is cool. But this allows you to dynamically control all of those features, and you can also do some EQ adjustments here as well on the back end. So with that in mind, I turned on the noise reduction, and this is what it sounds like with the built-in noise reduction. You don't have to have other like paid for or additional software. It comes free with the microphone. This is a raw audio sample from the AM8 Pro microphone using the built-in noise suppression software that comes with all of the FIFINE microphones. So that sounds pretty good, just like right off the bat. I would say if I was going to do any type of additional filtering, I would probably do a little bit of bass boosting. It seems like it needs a little bit of boosting on the lower tones, but not bad. And then here's what it sounds like when it's run through some of my standard editing filters when I publish things on YouTube. And here is a sample of what it sounds like after I've run my audio through some audio filters that mimic what you would do when you're going to put your video up on YouTube or and then again, sounds really good. It's really clean. But what I might do is run it through a compressor to make it sound a little bit more bass boosted. Let's enhance the lows on this. See what it sounds like. And here is a sample of what it sounds like after I've run my audio through some audio filters that mimic what you would do when you're going to put your... Yeah, so if you just gave it a little bass boosting, that's honestly all it would need. So that's not too bad. So it sounds pretty good. And as a kit, this whole thing is $100. Actually, right now it's on sale for like $67. So it's pretty good as a deal, honestly. I can't guarantee it'll stay on a sale when you watch this video later. But as far as like value to what you're buying, these are usually pretty good microphones. And this is something new that they've been adding. This is their new software that adds even more control over your audio that comes with your microphones. And this does things like allow you to adjust the EQ of your microphone to do just like I said. You know, you can enhance the lows or the highs by simply dragging up, unlocking this, I guess, first, and then dragging this up or down to adjust the gain and the frequency. You can use this to remove different sounds, to tweak what things sound like. And it's even got some controls over here for you to adjust instead if this is not precise enough for you. You can even adjust your output device through this microphone so that it'll help enhance the audio quality of things like League of Legends, Overwatch 2. Although personally, I don't really get that specific with my audio that I want to edit other games. They got some presets for that here, which is kind of handy. So you can play with EQ or just reset that to default. And then here, the main thing that I really like personally is the fact that you can use this noise reduction in order to remove background noise. Like if I turn this off, you can hear the fact that I've got an air conditioner running in my house because it's going into spring and summer. So that's a constant background noise that you could expect. Fans, televisions, clunking and crunching in your neighbor mowing his lawn outside. So this is a really nice piece of software to have on top of that. And if you really want, it allows you to play around with and mess with the lighting of your device as well for what's currently plugged in. You can even have it sync to whatever the colors are on screen if you're a streamer. So that's also really cool. So I would say with all of that stuff in mind, this microphone is a pretty good deal. I mean, honestly, it's a complete package. It's got cool lighting. It's got good quality. You can control your volume with a knob. You can control it on your computer with some software. It's easy to edit. About the only thing that I would find complaint in on it, because it's for price, it sounds great, is that it sounds a little low in the low tones of my voice when I'm recording with it compared to other microphones like this one. But that's really easy to change and adjust by simply editing it both within its own software, or you can boost the lows when you're editing either in Premiere Pro or Sony Vegas or any editor of your choice. There's even filters that you can throw into Streamlabs or OBS that'll do that as well, so that you can fix that and get the most out of what is essentially around $100 microphone kit from FIFINE AmpliGame. That's their gaming side of their brand. So I think you'd be happy with this. Check it out for yourselves. I'll put the links in the video description below, including the videos or the link to this software. And I'll be probably doing some tutorials in the future of how to use the software to edit your microphone and get the most out of it. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.